This episode, we get back from Texas, take the boat for inspection. There's plenty of panicking on board.
Yeah, we're not It's because of one engine. Shit.
He then checks out the new dinghy, and we practice sailing. Can't be that hard, right?
Another packet meal. So tomorrow's haul out day, and we've been waiting for this day for a long time. Basically, we're going to pull the boat about 1 nautical mile from where it is at the moment, drive it around, put it into the slipway. The crane's going to lift it up, and we'll get her out, and we'll be able to check the bottom for osmosis. I'll be able to check the through holes. We're going to check the sail drives.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
She looks good. We're doing it.
Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that.
To celebrate the purchase of the new boat, Jen and John invited us over for a barbecue.
Yes. Chicken and jalapeno sausage, some beer sausage, and grilled zucchini.
There's not just going to be one.
Here's the spooky thing about
Once we-
The next morning, we got the formalities out of the way.
After the notary, George took us at his mate place for a lunch.
Difficult is an understatement. We spent over 5 hours trying to finalise our finances. But in the end, success.
So easy. It's never a problem around here.
I think we've been trying like for
3, 4, 5 hours.
5 hours.
I can run you through it. I went online and I had a bit of a look on how to transfer money internationally. Found a couple of different guys, different sites that are offering the service, and the banks obviously will do it for you, but they end up 3,000 to 4,000 Australian dollars more because of the exchange they give you, which that's how they make their money. So the sites that I've used are transfer.xe and OFX. Now they're pretty similar, but XE actually has better rates. It worked out about $300 cheaper.
And the day went on and on and on.
We've been at Walmart for 3 hours and 18 minutes.
It's a
Just-
full-time job.
Oh my goodness, it's now 7:15 at night, and we move on to the boat tomorrow, and we're just getting the basic. Just made it back to the Nola Jazz House for the final night before we get on our new boat. How's it going for you?
Busy. We had a massive day. Today is moving day.
What are you doing?
Taking up the propeller
Why?
to clean up, and we're gonna change the handles there. It's hot. We were working on a board, but we had to stop and pack everything away as they're gonna start the painting.
We had a barbecue with our neighbours. Woke up fresh the next morning just in time to watch the World Cup final.
What are you up to, bud?
Can you see?
Third day of cleaning. Hopefully we can put in a big day. There's a lot to do. And you can see quite clearly you've got the clean piece, and then right there is the line for the dirty piece.
We continued to scrub the boat, removed the mattresses inside, and started work on the bilges below. The boys next door invited us round for pizza. We finished the day with a couple of cold beers and were greeted with this beautiful sunset.
So it's day 3. We've got another big day ahead of us. We've got more cleaning to do. We had a massive storm last night and it's the tail end of it, obviously. It's still here, so.
New bedding.
So I just spent about an hour and a half sanding it back, using the different grip strength, obviously starting really quite rough and getting out the old stuff and then working right our way up to quite fine to get a nice finish. We have got the table looking pretty good. And if you compare the colour of that table with the stuff sitting behind me here, then it is looking pretty good. So we've got some marine teak wood varnish to go on now to seal the table, and hopefully she comes up okay. Finally getting some fun stuff done, making it look pretty.
Yeah, that's the best part.
It is. Past 8, it's Friday night. Elaine's pulling up the floors inside to have a look at basically where things go and cleaning it.
So we found the smelly corner. I'm so sweaty, so hot.
After another long day's work, we invited the boys over for another meal on the back of Añejo. It's 11 o'clock at night. We got up this morning. We've done like a 15.5-hour day, and we had a productive day, but we are absolutely exhausted.
Everybody's driving F250.
We just got the loaner rental car from the yard, so we're just taking it for a spin down to Walmart to get some more supplies. And it's good because we've been using the Ubers, and it's only $6 each way, but it saves us $12. I've been here 1 week and we are getting there. We're hoping to be on the water in the next 3 days. Inside's looking really good, super clean. We additionally have to get our trampolines made. It's not a super priority, but at the same time, you've got a catamaran, they're really comfy to sit on. We just have to prioritise what we need and what we want, because money runs out real fast. Talking about money, thank you so much to our new patrons. We've got some family there, some friends, some grandparents have even jumped on board, so we're absolutely stoked with that. Thank you very much. It is very, very much appreciated. Anyone that hasn't checked it out yet, jump on Patreon. Every time we make a movie, you're basically donating us a small sum of money, which helps us to continue keeping the boat maintained. And then obviously when the time comes and you want to come aboard, it allows us to invite you aboard, and your accommodation is paid for. So that's a beautiful thing. It's for as little as $5 an episode. So today's the day. She's finally ready. We're putting her back in the water.
So what's the plan from here?
So put back the boat in the water, and we're gonna take back the boat at George Jetty. And yeah.
You scared?
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit worried. Yeah, hope everything's gonna be fine. There's not much room here, and we have to pass the bridge.
Yeah.
And we don't have any insurance. So see what happens.
What's going on with the insurance? Any news? Are they asleep over there now?
Yeah, we are waiting for the boat to be registered.
Okay.
And when we're gonna have the registration, we're gonna be able to have the insurance.
What's going on with the dinghy?
The dinghy it's pretty flat at the moment. We've been trying to fix the dinghy for 3 days, but it just doesn't want to make us happy at this stage. So just try harder, I guess, and off we go. How was it?
I feel fantastic.
Yeah?
Sort of fantastic. You got mail.
I got mail.
$1,600.
Is there tax?
Whoa.
That's with taxes and a surcharge on your card.
Hey, what are you sure?
Coming out there.
Oh my god. Hey, boy!
Billy.
Hey, boy!
Billy. That wind is just killing us. Wrong way. Yeah, it doesn't let me go the other way.
All right, go forward. Let's get out. Let's go. Make some forward progress. Get in the middle. We'll turn.
Yeah, turn around and forward. What, all the way hard left?
Yeah, hard left.
Hard forward.
It's slow. Get out of here.
I am hard left, but I can't get the power down. Like, we don't turn, that wind just catches us flat out. We were working on one engine. It was pretty hectic. Someone come down to the helm? Okay? I don't know, I just don't feel like I'm getting anywhere. Like I'm hard down.
No, look. When you do forward, always go right. It's because of one engine. Shit. It looks like you got it.
No, I can't see anything on the right. Ellen, come pull the screen up. There we go.
That's an inch better. You got to get the bridge down.
The bridge up.
We got to get it up. I mean, yeah, up here a little bit more. We can coast around in the canal.
There is space.
Yeah.
We're good up there.
All right, it's not on here.
Switches in there. I thought I'd turn them on, but I might not have.
Deepwood Bridge is a sailing vessel. Añejo. Request on the bridge over.
We are waiting for the bridge to open and we're gonna try to get through. Everybody's trying to fix the second engine because there's not much room, second engine, to go through this bridge. So at the moment we are doing loop and I hope by the time they open the bridge the engine will be fixed. It was pretty crazy to go outside of this marina. Ships of boat there. We were pretty worried to knock one.
Abel, we're going on through the bridge. Hey?
We're going through the bridge.
We're going through the bridge. Still good? We all right at the back there?
Yeah, he's saying he sees the crab pot.
The speed we're going. You ready?
Ready to rumble.
Cruising on over.
Let's do it.
Let's job.
Tack. Job's one of the ones behind
That's true, I did. You cut that out of the video.
That's going into pure.
Pull. Pull that sail on over. It's only
And
gonna get easier.
Nope.
By hand. Yep, there you go. Keep going. Pull.
Can I use
It's coming, it'll come. No, you should be able to pull back. Is it stuck on a spreader or is it good?
This line right here. Look, nobody unwrapped it. That's supposed to be unwrapped.
Ah, Len, you're good.
Gotta take the easy way out. I kept on falling short of something. I could have given.
Abel, how do you feel?
I take it in, but don't look down.
Okay guys, mission accomplished.
Having a good time? Join us next week, where we have some power issues. The mood on the boat, it's not all that flash. And finally, I catch a fish. We're eating tonight.